In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Please insert the correct DVD-ROM" error in NFS Most Wanted 2005. Suggest follow these steps exactly. Now first, launch the game, and when you see the error message saying "Please insert the correct DVD-ROM", just click OK and close the game. Now next, check the video description and download the mod or fixed exe file from the link provided. Now once the page opens, select Manual Download. Now choose the Slow Download option and wait for the file to finish downloading. Now after the download is complete, click on the folder icon to open the downloaded file. Now inside the folder, right-click on the exe file and select Copy. Now go to your NFS Most Wanted desktop shortcut, right-click on it and select Open File Location. Now paste the copied exe file into this folder and click Continue if it asks for permission. Now once the file is pasted, double-click the new exe file to launch the game. Now the game will open normally without the DVD-ROM error and you won't face this issue again. And that's it. That's how you fix the "Please insert the correct DVD-ROM" error in NFS Most Wanted 2005. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.